Hey, hello. Thank you for reaching out. I really appreciate your action so far. Thank you for reaching on this channel. Thank you for your effort. And actually, this means a whole lot. Trust me, you're gonna be. Can I say blessed? Yeah, you're gonna be blessed by it. And it all depends on you and those actions that you're gonna take to get more income. Of course, this is what this is all about. Even if you are having a job, even if it's a 9 to 5 job, even if you're making some money like per month, even if you have a business, even if you have whatsoever, you can choose according to your capacity. You can try to choose this based on your side, even if you are a student, of course, even if you you're so busy. The thing is that you can take actions that will help you, you can use this to be your side hustle, or you can use this to be your force, all right? So you can use it to be to as a fourth source of income. So what I'm going to do today is that I'm going to show you some of the things that we will be going on over the time, all right? As time goes by, these are the things we will be dealing with for now. I'm going to just show you a gist. I'm going to show you the general topics, things that we are going to be covering up on this channel. I'm going to show you on some platforms some of the things that we that's actually going on and how other people are actually benefiting from it, right? So this stuff is legit, is worldwide. This is what a lot of people is going through now. This is what many people are using. People are using the internet, and there are many opportunities that you haven't perhaps seen yet. Well, after having said everything, let's just jump straight into the PC. Now, I will be showing you firstly the lines, alright? So now, this is a very vast topic. This is what we're going to start with, of course, and it's the big question: how to make money online, right? If you are to just type this into your search engine now, trust me, there are going to be a lot of hundreds of information that are going to come to you, many of them. The worst part of it is that if you rush now, you're gonna be lost on the internet. Trust me, because sometimes some people will just you see some content on the internet make thousands of dollars one day, make millions of dollars in 3 seconds. These scams, they are all scams. Because there are many fake information on the internet. Because that those titles are the most attractive titles. That's why most people use them, and they try to lure more viewers to that video, because at the end, after watching, you earn to nothing. You have nothing at all, and that's a scam. So I'm also a victim of some of those scams. That's why I don't want you to waste your time behind them. All right, because all of the contents I will be bringing to you will be reviewed. This is something that I've reviewed, and this is something that I've verified, and most of the times will be something that I too am engaged into. All right. So everything is going to be legit, and trust me, once you are trying to follow this channel every week, we are going to come up with contents as it relates to how to make money online. So the next thing is tips and tools. Actually, you are going to need to work online, and everything is going to be about the internet. So definitely, you will be needed. You need guardians, of course. You need people to guide you through, and I'll do everything. I'll do everything as possible to guide you. Try to join the group, because the impactors. The link is in the description, and try to follow me on social media platforms like Instagram, email Marquis on Instagram, email Marquis on Facebook. That's our page name. And try to join the group impactors, because we will be having information, tips and tricks that will be helping you. Since it is the initial stage, we're going to try our best to try to post those opportunities within the group, like jobs and other things. Like once you are willing to take actions, you are going to benefit. All right. Thirdly is about freelancing. All right. After having gone through many courses and obtained more knowledge on these things, actually there are bigger plans ahead. There are more to come. But what I have personally decided to start with is freelancing. All right. Freelancers, I don't want to have some form of external income. I don't want to go and be requesting some people for some stuff. No, that's not what I want. Not even my parents. It's something I want to start from scratch. It's something I want to put my effort within everything. And trust me, I've started, and I have a lot of experience in it. And I can direct you how to do it and how to go about. To try to get what you want to do, because trust me, even this freelancing I'm even using now to be able to meet some of our basic needs on a daily basis, all right? Over the time, like over the past months, like having like fully relied on my parents like before, where I used to ask them for everything I wanted. No, that's not the case anymore. Or like yeah, like I had to grow up, and of course I'm taking actions, and it's actually gaining fruits, right? And you, of course, you need some inspiration on the internet, because many a times not everything. Trust me, if you come up with the mindset of starting on the internet today and just becoming a millionaire in a week, that's a very big scam. You have to erase that memory. Of course, you have some disappointment sometimes. Sometimes you're in the long run you'll go through some services, and sometimes you won't gain fruit from the initial stage, but with time, as time passes by, you're going to see the fruits of it, of course. So sometimes I'm going to try sometimes to upload some content that is about your inspiration, some inspirational stuff, and let's say inspirational and let's see and motivation. Of course, you need some motivation, right, to go through, because sometimes you try to give up, all right? So we'll be here to guide you through everything. But before you go, let me show you one of those platforms. All right, this is one of the platforms that we are going through, and I'm going to show you just to encourage you. All right, let me just switch my account to a client account, and I'll try to search for some people out there that actually benefit from the internet and why you didn't know about, And what's going to surprise and amaze you is that most of the things that people doing out there, you already have those abilities and capabilities within you. Or just that you didn't have the knowledge, you didn't know about it, or perhaps you knew about it, but you didn't know about how you can go about to benefit from these things. So actually, this is why the channel is here to help you through everything. And let me just search for. This is our income, like $225 per hour. That's it. That's our ratings. That's not to say every hour she gain that. Perhaps she does, right? But this is her ratings. Why? Because she's qualified and she has whatever it takes. And this is her total earnings. It's 1 million plus, just from doing services on the internet. So could you imagine that? Alright? But again, everything didn't just start up as magic. She too put in some work, she too did some research, she too was very committed. That's why she reached this far, right? And most importantly, is that you also have those capabilities within you. You also have whatsoever it takes that you see people are doing on this platform, right? So trust me, I'm going to teach you everything. I'm going to teach you so far as per my experience, and I try to break everything down. All you need to do is stay tuned, follow me on these platforms. Eamon Markey again on Instagram, Eamon Markey again on Facebook, and try to join the group Impactors, where we're going to be together, and we're going to show you everything. We're going to share with you some tips and how you can go about on the internet, and we're going to try to update you again on some job information as per your qualifications and all these things, right? So that's everything. And just to show you again, these are the pages. This is the group Impactors. It's a private group. It's a highly restricted one. You can come, and now I'm going to send out the invitations to everyone. And this is the channel. Alright, of course you're on this channel now. I don't have videos there, but I'm going to upload this video there. And on LinkedIn, here I am again. That's me, Emmanuel Mikey Morris. Alright, and lastly, let me go on Instagram. You can reach here, and yeah, of course I haven't uploaded any content yet. Thanks to my friends on Instagram. Yeah, so now I'm gonna be regularly uploading content here. Just follow me to stay tuned and stay on track. Till we meet every Friday, every week, I'm gonna upload videos for you. So then, have a nice day and stay tuned for your tutorials so you can start earning. Thank you.